সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, welcome to our today's class. Good morning to all of my dear students. Today I am here to conduct a class on English second paper. Our today's topic is degree, or we can say like this, comparison of adjective. So first of all, I welcome to all students of class 10 to listen to my today's class. So today, dear students, I am going to teach you about degree or comparison of adjective. First of all, what do you mean by degree? Whenever we suffer from fever, we say, I have 101 degree Celsius fever. That means it is the rank, a stage of my fever. But today, we are not going to learn something about fever. We are going to learn something about degree, that means comparison of adjective. That means degree of adjectives. So dear students, you can see I wrote some sentences on the whiteboard. As you can see, you see that there are three kinds of degree. First of all, first one is positive, number two is comparative, and number three is superlative. So dear students, we have learned that there are how many kinds of degrees? There are three kinds of degrees. Number one, positive, number two, comparative, and number three, superlative. So today I will teach the change of degrees with some examples. Dear students, I wrote first sentence is about positive, because you can see as, also, then positive form a verb, adjective, then another as. So if we see these kinds of structure in sentence, then we will be sure that it is about positive degree. Now, this is I am going to change this positive degree into comparative and superlative degree. So let's start. What I wrote here, Robbie is as or so bright as Michael. So whenever I go to turn the sentence into comparative, then the subject of positive degree, object of the positive degree will be the subject of the comparative degree. So Michael will be here. Michael. So this one I have written Michael. Then verb. Then if the positive degree is about affirmative, then the comparative will be negative. So to mention the negative sentence, we have to take the help of not. So after is or after auxiliary or whatever, it may be principal verb. After verb, then we have to take not. Then the comparative form of verb as per as the structure of the rules that I gave you in the last class. So today I am only giving you some basic information how to change that. So Michael is not, the comparative form of bride is brighter. So dear students, in my last class I told you about how to change the form of adjective according to rules. So you can see bride is consists of, the word is consists of one syllable. So whenever we turn the word into comparative form, then we have to add here at the end of the adjective. So that I did so. Bright has been turned into brighter. Then in case of comparative degree, we have to take the help of then to mention it as a comparative sentence. So I wrote here then the subject of the positive degree will be the object of the comparative sentence. So Robin will take the place of object. So dear students, have you understood this? Okay. Thank you. So Michael is not brighter than Robin. So I think our positive one was affirmative, But when I turn the sentence into comparative, then it has been turned into negative. But dear students, you can see, according to the meaning, there is no difference between the two sentences. Now I will give you another example, dear students. Dear students, I have written another example here for you. Chittagong is not as big as that. You can see, dear students, the positive sentence is about negative, but whenever we will turn the sentence into comparative, then the sentence will turn into negative. So, the object of positive sentence, positive will be the subject of comparative. Then I wrote here, Gata is. So, dear students, you can see it is negative. Then our comparative will be affirmative. Data is, you can see this one, their adjective is big. So the comparative form of big is, bigger. What? Bigger. Then we will take then, because it is about comparative, then city. So our subject of politically has become the object of comparative. Yes, have you understood this? Okay. Thank you. So now come to the, so whenever we will go to turn the sentence into superlative, this structure of positive degree cannot be turned into superlative. What I said? This structure of positive degree cannot be turned into superlative degree. It can be turned only what? Comparative degree. So dear students, now we will learn something about another structure of positive, and we will also learn how to change them and transform them into comparative and superlative. So you can see it is about positive, because you can say as or so plus adjective, positive from adjective, then as and subject. So dear students, what is the subject here? Siberia. So I wrote Siberia. Then what is the verb here? Is. Siberia is. Then comparative from adjective. So here is adjective is cold. So cold is also consists of one syllable. So it will be colder, because whenever we go to turn the word into comparative, we have to add here at the end of the word adjective. So Siberia is colder. So if you see no other in positive, then in case of comparative, we have to write this, then any other. Instead of no other, we have to use then any other. For no other, we will use then any other in comparative. Then now, country in the world. Country in the world. Dear students, have you understood this? So in the last class, I gave you all the structures of transformation of degree. I think today you are going to understand well. So now, Siberia is colder than any other country in the world. Now, my dear students, I am going to transform the sentence into superlative. Then what will be like this? Siberia, again subject, then verb. In case of superlative, we have to take the help of the, because we know that always before the superlative form adjective, we have to use the. Siberia is the, then cold will be coldest. So yes, you can see I have added est and that is the adjective, coldest. Siberia is the coldest country, then rest part of the sentence. Country in the what? Country in the world. So dear students, what I did here, I am going to make you understand. Again, now listen to me and look at the Bible. No other country in the world is as cold as Siberia. So Siberia, then verb is, then cold has been turned into colder as per rule. Then if you see no other, in case of comparative, it will be then any other. Then rest part of the word sentence, country in the world. Now, in case of superlative, the subject, then verb, then the superlative form of coldness, then rest part of the sentence, country in the world. Now, dear students, I am going to make you understand about another example or another rules of positive, and we will also learn how to transform them into comparative superlative. So you can see very few problems in our country are as dreadful as population. So what is the subject here? You can see we know that in case of positivity, subject remain at that sentence. So population has taken the place here. So population will be subject. Then you can see very few problems. We also know that, and I also mentioned to you, I also taught you in the last class, after very few, we have to use only the plural form of the noun. As we have to use plural form of the noun after very few, then verb will also be always plural. So here you can see are for very few problems because it is plural. But whenever we are going to turn the sentence into comparative, we wrote only population as a subject. So population is singular, is a one problem singular, and then R will be turned into is. Because population is singular, we have to write and use is for population. Population is then comparative from adjective. You can see this one dreadful. So dreadful consists of two syllables, dread and full. So whenever we will write in comparative like this, more dreadful. Population is more dreadful than very few. In case of very few, we have to write than most other. Then the rest part of the sentence problems in our country. So, dear students, I think you can understand well. Population singular then is. Instead of R, we have used is. Then comparative form is really dreadful, consists of two syllables. So we know that whenever we see more than one syllable, then we have to add more in case of comparative, and we have to use most in case of superlative form of the adjective. So dreadful, then most other. So very few, in case of very few, we have to use the most other problems in our country. So dear students, now I am going to change the sentence into superlative. The population is. So in case of no other, in respect of no other, we use the whenever we turn the sentence into superlative. But whenever we see there is very few, in this regard we have to use one of the that I mentioned you in the structures, and I think you studied them. So population is one of the superlative form of dreadful is most dreadful. Population is one of the most dreadful problems than the rest part of the sentence. Problems in our. So dear students, what I've changed here, you can see population subject is okay. Now verb, then the comparative form adjective, dreadful comparative adjective, because it consists of two. You can see there are two syllables, dreadful. So that's why we have to use more dreadful than most other. Very few is very few positive, then we have to use the most other comparative, then the rest of the words, what is in the word. In case of superlative subject, then verb, then one of them. Because very few, we use one of them. Then the superlative form dreadful is most dreadful, then the rest part of the words, the rest part of the sentence, problems in our first. So dear students, I think you have understood today's lesson. Even though you have any problems, then I will discuss about the topic again in the next class. But I am giving you some words. In the next class, I will check your homework. I am giving you some homework on the board questions of the topic. You have to practice at home over the board questions and all cadet scholars police questions. If you practice like this, I think you can overcome the problem. So today is today I am going to end our today's class. So dear students, practice yourself at home. I think you will overcome your problems. So if you have any problem, then you can inform me on problem without any delay, without any confusion, without any hesitation. So today after this, I will meet you in the next class. So keep safe and pray for all. Thank you very much. Good afternoon.